And the life that we have been given, why is this thing actualizing itself in this way all of a sudden and not behaving properly? Okay, there it is. We got it back to something looking legit. Again, we wish you love, peace, and soul on this day, which we all are a part of. You can bet you can bet your last money it's going to be a Stone Gas honey and all of that. The Soul Train line, man, imagine the Soul Train line, the people that, what would happen, what dances would these people do if they went down the Soul Train line? If the superheroes went down the Soul Train line, what dances would they do? You know what I mean? The Fantastic Four, what dances would they do? Superman, what dance would he do if he went down the Soul Train line? Man, wouldn't that be super duper interesting? I think so. It'd be a lot of fun to see that. What about King Kong? What dance would he do if he went down the Soul Train line? Okay, so keep that in mind on that level there. And all these other superheroes that are out there, what dance would they do if they went down the Soul Train line? You know what I mean? The Zulu warriors went down the Soul Train line. Man, they would be popping and locking because of the leg dance that they do anyway. You know what I mean? Man, wouldn't it be a hell of a Soul Train line like in that movie King Kong? The drums they played to get King Kong out of the forest. Man, if he came down a Soul Train line, it'd be tear the club up. No, that'd be Godzilla. If Godzilla came down the Soul Train line, tear the club up. Gotta get off track with the superheroes. Man, what dances would those superheroes do if they went down the Soul Train line? Wow, imagine all those superheroes. Spider-Man, what dance would he do? Superman, that's it, Superman already. Thor, all these superheroes, man. Batman and Robin, what dance would they do if they went down the Soul Train line? The Riddler, is it the Riddler and the Joker? What dance would they do if they went down the Soul Train line? Man, all the superheroes, Captain America. Yeah, what dance? Would he have rhythm? Would he be in rhythmic order if he went down the Soul Train line? So that was my little mission for today, to get out about the Soul Train line and the superheroes and some of the villains. I guess the villains could go down the Soul Train line as well. That would be just as good, wouldn't it? Wow, excellent. All the villains go down the Soul Train line as well. Man, there would be a wild Soul Train line to see those do that. Use their, like the Flash. He would be dancing so fast. Man, what kind of dance we do going down the Soul Train line? Man, that'll be too funny. All those people doing different dances on the Soul Train. Did I have to use that today? Yes, I did.